Well, I'll tell you what, when they say 12.5 to 1 compression piston is the limit for pump fuel, they're not joking. I have to keep this gas fresh, which is why I'm going to be running race fuel or a blend thereof from now on, because I normally don't burn it all in one ride, so it sits in the tank. And with this high quality fuel we're getting from overseas, woohoo, it's breaking down very quickly, especially with that ethanol in it. And within 30 days, my Raptor's knocking. So today is going to be a video on race fuel, whether it'll give you more top speed, which ultimately more power, or is there really no difference? Either way, I'm going to have to run the blend of race fuel or pure race fuel, just simply because the gas is breaking down too fast. But I will say 93 octane does work. You just have to, if you ride, gotta be fresh fill up, and what you don't use, dump it out. Feed it to your liberal friends the next time they come over. Hey guys, welcome back to Quad Nation. And some of you may be asking yourself, Quad Nation, why are you doing another top-end run with the 734 with pump gas if you already have demonstrated a baseline run in the past? Well, that's a great question. It's because I've done burnouts, so my tires are nearly bald, and naturally when you do a burnout your tire gets smaller, which will be a smaller circumference, which will ultimately gear you down. So if I'm doing a comparison, you guys know I want to have good baseline runs. I want the best comparison possible. So we're doing another baseline run. After this run, we're going to remove the pump fuel from the tank and add straight VP 110. This is going to be epic, guys. So hang on tight, buckle your seatbelt, because we're going to roll on the throttle. RPMs, 5,300, and here we go, guys, here we go. 3/4 throttle, and pulse it, baby, pulse it. Alright, as expected, I figured we'd go a little bit slower because it's geared further down. That was expected. We hit 85. I think it might have hit 86, but that's expected. And I'm feeling a little bit of wind that way. I think we'll be able to a little bit faster the other way. Here we go. Get up to speed. 3/4 throttle. At the stock speed of a Raptor, and pulse it. Woo! This thing flies, boys! Oh, that is such a rush! Wow! This thing is a nut. It's fair to say probably a solid 86 with the way the tires currently are. 86, because it kind of bounced around a little bit right there. I'd have to say, you know, it could have hit 87, but you guys know I always yield on the error of lower numbers and lower power. Alright guys, here we go. We got the VP 110 in Megatron. Yeah, that Banshee doesn't have a chance. Oh, she looks sweet though, she really does. To me, a stock Banshee is the prettiest Banshee. Maybe not the fastest. Get it, boy! Alright guys, here we go. Full send on the 734 Raptor with VP 110. And boy, I gotta say, this smells awesome. Let's inhale all that lead. Alright, let's get up to speed. 3/4 throttle. And full send, baby, full send. We didn't lose any. Oh man, 87 miles an hour. Wow. Alright, just in case the wind was a factor, let's hit it this way. Hold on to your buds. Here we go, Megatron! Bye-bye, Banshee! Full send, baby, full send! 80, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7! Man, this thing is an absolute beast. Hey, do y'all want a treat before we end it? Let's line up the Banshee and Raptor. Let's see what this 734 does. It's gonna absolutely just murder that Banshee. Slow 350 twin Banshee versus super fast 734 Megatron. Oh gosh, she's pretty. Here we go. Second gear, on you! Oh, I'm spinning! Bye-bye, Banshee! Oh, man! No comparison! Oh, man! Alright, guys, so here is the synopsis. Race fuel did not give me any more advantage. The speeds were consistent every run. We were bouncing around 87 but holding 86. What I do know is the VP 110 will not pre-detonate, knock, anything like that. It is going to be much safer for me to run this engine super hot, back-to-back runs. It is a good fuel to run. I don't plan to run this from this point forward because it is so expensive, $100 for 5 gallons. But what I am probably going to do is a blend of 50 to 50, which will bring me up to about 100 octane, and I really won't have to worry about the pre-detonation. But for now, guys, enjoy riding, have fun, don't gouge out your eyes because of these gas prices, because I promise, 2 years from now, things are going to change. For now, guys, this is Quad Nation 929. I'm out!